Here's another video by Mama and... All right. There was Puck, but Puck left. This is called the Industrial Revolution. Okay. Long ago, there was no pollution, but people made their own clothes and needed a solution. That is why machines were invented. They would make life easier, that's what they presented. It was called the Industrial What is it called, Jules? Revolution, you see. In England, they had factories and machines for real. But they were worried that America would steal. Samuel, what was his name? Slater, he didn't care. He brought the plants to America and made machines there. It was called the Industrial Revolution, you see. Now Eli, what was his name? Eli Whitney made the cotton gin. The seeds would come out when you put cotton in. Making clothes became so easy. Lowell was a town with a big factory. It was called the Industrial Revolution, you see. I don't hear you singing. But Eli Whitney, his work was not done. He had an idea when he looked at his gun. If he lost a screw when he took it apart, he could just fix it with interchangeable parts. It was called the Industrial Revolution, you see. Now Francis Cabot Lowell, he was the man. He had a really interesting plan. He used, what did he use, Jules? Water power to build the first mill. It could make clothes that really fit the bill. It was called the Industrial Revolution, you see. Machines also really help people grow food. Cyrus McCormick was a really cool dude. He made a machine that he called the Reaper. It could cut wheat, but faster and cheaper. It was called the Industrial Revolution, you see. When people couldn't handle grassy ground, John Deere made a plow. He put the blade upside down. It was called the plow that broke the plains of the West. John Deere's name is known and his tractors are the best. It was called the Industrial Revolution, you see. But not everything in this revolution was cool. Young girls worked all day and did not go to school. People lived in cities filled with smoke